Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen, and I am from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. And Dr. Liu, welcome to our interview program, and we want to thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, Roger. It's an honor to be invited to this forum. I do think what you do is very important to really record the stories of Asian American entrepreneurs, scientists, technologists for their contribution to the world. So thank you. Myself, my education background is that I got my college education from Beijing University in cell biology and genetics. And then I got my PhD degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Berkeley, from Cal. My professional history is that after my PhD, I worked at a biotech company called Chiron, which got acquired by Novartis 10 years later for $10 billion. That is back in 2006. So at Chiron, I worked in the oncology novel drug discovery group. And so after the acquisition, I started a new career. So I founded the company Eureka Therapeutics, which is now a clinical stage company developing cancer immunotherapy treatment for multiple cancers.
As a technology pioneer, how do we develop drug products?
Do you have any competition in your company? And if you do face some competition, how much of your product decisions are driven by reacting to competitors' moves or actions, or how much of your product decisions or strategy are driven by other factors? So maybe you can share with us your kind of a thinking, what kind of really influence your product decisions, whether it's by reacting to competitors or by other factors. By other factors, what are the other factors? Maybe could you elaborate on that?
Yes.
A little?
So you're gonna laugh. This just shows how arrogant I am. So, but I think this is where I believe. I think we do have competition, but we have no competitors.
Interesting. What do you mean by that?
I mean is that, cancer is such a bigger problem. I mean, there's so much science and technology, so much research done that so many people have different creative, smart ideas. Everybody working on those. I think in that sense, of course, we have competition. Even in our own field, the T-cell immunotherapy field, we have like another 200-300 companies trying to solve the same problem.
Wow.
So definitely we have competition. But I feel like we don't have competitors is because I think in terms of, I said, in terms of solving the fundamental problems of cancer therapy, those two, how you identify them and how to cure them, I think we're way ahead of the curve. Yeah, and because of that, and also it's also a double-edged sword because we're so single-minded on getting the best integration of the best technology to achieve the maximum cancer killing benefit, so that it's that we're not affected by the business side of things, all the competing companies issues. We're saying we just focus on the goal. What's the technology? What do we do to achieve the cure of cancer? I think that by itself saved us lots of time too. Of course, double-edged sword. So we sacrifice on the business side, as I mentioned earlier. Yeah. So, and also another thing is you have to, especially when you deal with a challenging problem like cancer. Cancer is changing too. So that we constantly keep an open-minded, keep our eyes open on what's new. So, but how you do that? We actually created a business model to do it. So we build strategic partnerships with the top leading research centers, cancer centers in the US. So we maintain this collaboration with Memorial Sloan Kettering in New York City, with National Cancer Institute, so that with many others, without going down the whole list. And we work together. We all saying, what is the most challenging problem now? And so because those are the best scientists, oncologists, cancer biologists. So we work together. This all keep us also connected to the cutting edge science. So I feel that's why it gives me the confidence that I think we're ahead of the curve. Where our challenge is how you can really achieve the clinical validation of your technology, of your product, and also still being able to get business returns to your investor.
Thank you for watching.